How to find your downloaded files on Android. Whether you've downloaded a file from Chrome, Gmail, or another app, let me show you where to find it. First, swipe up from the home screen to open the app screen. Now open the My Files app. This is Samsung's built-in file manager, and it's where most downloaded files are stored. Once you're in My Files, here you'll see all the files you've downloaded, including documents, PDFs, images, videos, and other files. Simply tap on any file to open it. If you don't see the file in the Downloads folder, go back to the main My Files screen and tap Internal Storage. Then open the Download folder, as some apps save files there instead. If you downloaded a photo or video, you can also check the Gallery app, since media files are often saved there automatically. And that's it. That's how to find your downloaded files on Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android easy tech tutorials.